Are you ready to fight? What does that mean? Ah! No, you're gonna use snake! No! Teleport! What's this ability of yours? Roar! What was that? Roar! Run! Use your teleportation! I don't care if you're the enemy! Axel! Oh, he's doing the force thing again!
I sense a disturbance. It's either somebody getting hit in the nuts or something more powerful.
Fight me, Axel.
Come on, face me. Oh, what's happening?
Teleport! I'll end here.
Thanks so much for defeating him. What's your name?
I'm
CJ? You were secretly good all this time?
Yes.
But I thought you were a bad guy.
Secretly, I've been good this whole time.
No! Axel! How dare you! CJ, where is he? You killed him! Okay, I use my power. I use summoning! Hopefully I summon a mystical beast. Well, I guess this is why I'm stuck with summoning. Stop that! Oh! Wait, CJ, I thought you were dead.
I go where people call me the Otter King now. And I'm never dead when you think I'm dead.
Oh, so sick. I'm gonna come and help you.
Ah!
Come on, Axel.
I'm not
You're
going
cornered.
down without a fight.
Tom Nook, is that you? Wait, he bumped into my dog.
I'm sorry.
Wait,
He passed out.
what'd you do to him? What's happening? Tom Nook, let's get you out of there, buddy. Oh, what have you been doing here this entire time?
I've been eating grass.
You thought I was useless? My powers, I could actually eliminate any curses in anyone.
Are you good or bad?
I'm Stabscope CJ. I remember you now.
Do you remember us?
Yeah.
So, do you still want to destroy all the Nintendo verses?
We should at least give him bed. Let's go.
I guess he's good now. So, Axel, are you good now?
Yeah, I guess you broke the curse my father put on me. Cheers.
Cheers!
To making you good.
Yep. Who are you?
I'm sorry, Axel, for being so long.
Oh!
I'm not coming with you.
Tranquilizer!
Where's Axel and his dad? Well, the thing that we can do to get our mind off of it is go to Snake's funeral.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is Snake's
Snake's
grave.
grave.
He was a
R.I.P.
good villager.
Wait, what?
Yeah,
I
see,
just
I
saw-
see another one over here.
Wait, what?
Wait, I'm pretty sure that's the name of Axel's mom.
Axel's mom live R.I.P. Rest in peace.
Wait, Axel's mom is dead?
Wait, there's something over there. Axel!
My dad died after taking me away. Wait, your dad died after taking
Your dad died?
It's okay, buddy. You can come live with us. As long as you don't destroy the Nintendo first. I think we should get this house. It's for a good price.
Let's go.
It's so big. Come on. All right, let's go in. Thank you guys so much for watching the Animal Crossing Trilogy.
We owe a lot of stuff to the people that participated, like our cameraman Finn and the other people that weren't shown in this video.
Yep.
And don't
forget Puppy, our grateful little animal.
I am the savior of the day.
You get a kiss from Puppy.
Thanks
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
So, McDonald's! Wait, I thought that you were a bad guy.
No, secretly I've been good.